Miss Anko?
I can feel the energy rising up because we are just about ready to give out our major awards for the night.
And these next 4 awards direct and heads the creative team of every movie that we watch. They are the screenwriters who have given us the most memorable lines and the directors who made the most memorable films.
And we will begin with the Indie Movie Screenwriter of the Year. Here are the nominees.
Dustin Celestino, Ang Duyan ng Magiting. Jerry Gracio, Pieta. Jerry Gracio and Gina Marisa Tagasa, In His Mother's Eyes. Ralston Jovel, Litrato. Benedict Nique and Aya Anunciacion, Monday First Screening. Carl Joseph Papa, Iti Mapupukaw. And June Robles Lana, About Us, Not About Us. And the star goes to Ralston Jovel for Litrato.
Presenting the trophy for the PNPC is former PNPC President Julie Bonifacio.
PNPC, maraming salamat sa patuloy na suporta sa mga independent films. Sa pelikulang Litrato, maraming salamat kay Direk Louie Ignacio sa pagtitiwala sa istorya sa akin, ang isulat ng istorya. Sa cast na nagbigay buhay sa roles ng mga matatanda sa Home for the Elderly, inahandog ko ang award na ito sa mga producers pala ng Litrato, headed by Len Carrillo. At especially inahandog ko itong award na ito sa mentor ko, isa sa pinakamahusay na manunulat sa industriya, si Armando Binglao. Nung nagturo ko sa aming lahat ng mga manunulat at mga filmmakers that we should serve our stories first and everything will follow. Magandang gabi po.
Ating kilalanin naman ang mga natataming nominado for Movie Screenwriter of the Year.
For Movie Screenwriter of the Year, Angeli Atienza, Firefly. Denzer Baterna, Instant Daddy. Suzette Doctolero, When I Met You in Tokyo. Enrico Santos, Malyari. Enrico Santos, Rewind. Enrico Santos, Wish You Were the One. Rodolfo Vera and Pepe Jokno, Gombuza. And the star goes to Rodolfo Vera and Pepe Jokno for Gombuza.
Presenting the trophy for the PNPC is Archie Young.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. First and foremost, thank you so much and happy 40th Philippine Movie Festival. What a great honor. Very special po sa amin ang location po na to dahil dito po sa Ateneo nagsimula ang Gomburza. Kaya nagpapasalamat po kami sa GESCOM, sa GESCOM Communications, Father Nono Alfonso, Paul Manginog Satarin, Ernestine Tamana, and Father Ro Atiliano for really spearheading this film. I also want to, of course, thank our partners at West Ventures, Mr. Jane Pasas, Mr. Jeffrey Mejio, and CMB Films, Mr. Jim Balazar, for bringing this movie to life. I share, of course, this award to our cast, Mr. Cedric Juan. Our cast, Mr. Cedric Juan, Gomburza first and foremost, of course, Mr. Enchong D, Mr. Dante Rivero, and Mr. Piolo Pascual for really bringing this film to life, and of course, the big ensemble that we had. Our crew, of course, and a personal note to my partner, Roy. But again, Gomburza is a film that was a labor of love for so many of us. And so I really share this with our whole team and of course with the Filipino people. So in addition to that, Seth.
Maraming salamat po sa PNPC Star Awards. dahil sa pagkilala sa screenplay na ginawa ni Sir Ronnie Vera ni Pepe Diokno. Feeling ko po sa paggawa ng isang screenplay, ang pinakamahalaga ay kung ano yung mensaheng tatawid sa mga manonood dahil at the end of the day, kung ano po yung pinakamaiintindihan ng general audience natin. And from the very first time that I read the script, alam ko na ang pinakatatawid sa kanila ay kung paano gigising ulit yung pagiging Pilipino natin na sinimulan ng Tatlong Paring Martir. Kaya maraming salamat po ulit sa lahat ng press na sumusuporta sa lahat ng mga filmmakers natin dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po ulit.